Hi guys! So for my speedy dinners this week, I'm going to show you how to make these super quick, super fast and delicious turkey lettuce cups. These are a huge favorite in our house and I do them quite often, especially since they take really little time to do. And what I'm going to do, because I always want to have veggies, I think I'm going to saute some spinach and some cabbage alongside, so we have a full meal ready in just 10 minutes. So I have a pan here that I'm going to heat up. I have some avocado oil that I put in there. I have some shallots that I'm just going to add there. They're just finely chopped. It's just two small ones. And I also have 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, fresh one, and then 2 garlic cloves that are grated as well. And you want your heat on like medium high. You don't want it too hot because if you do, then you'll burn the garlic and the ginger. And so when that heats up, you want to measure a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, or here it's like tamari or coconut aminos work as well. And then I'm also adding some fish sauce, which you can find in any supermarket today, and I use it a lot for Asian cooking, obviously, and it basically lasts forever. So if you have it in your fridge, it keeps for a couple of years. So this one is a big one because I use a lot of it, but you can find smaller version of it. And then I have obviously my ground turkey here. You could do it with ground chicken or even like the Beyond Burger or Impossible Burger meat, or beef or pork, whatever your family eats. Tonight I just felt like doing the turkey. So I'm just gonna go stir in my onion, ginger, garlic, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna add my meat now because I don't want my my mixture over there to cook too much, otherwise it's not gonna taste good. I just want it to be a little bit fragrant to have maximum flavor up. So cooking my turkey now. That should take approximately 4 or 5 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it because turkey tend to dry up really quickly, and you don't want that because it doesn't taste good. So when that is cooking, what you can do is I'm using romaine today because I didn't have anything else. So you just want to remove the outer leaves. So you just want to cut the leaves and just rinse them and let them dry while the meat is cooking. So whenever it's ready, you can just scoop your meat in there and just eat it like that, like a taco. So I'm gonna do like maybe 8, so we have 2 per person because they're quite big leaves, as you can see. If you use butter lettuce or any kind of other, smaller, rounder lettuce, maybe you want more because the leaves will be smaller, but here, since they're so big, 6, 7, and 8. Let me check on my meat again. I think I've shown you this before, but if you want really finely cooked meat, like when it's ground meat, obviously, you can use like a potato masher, and you just go in your pan like that, and then it will create perfect like little crumbs of the meat. But my meat is cooked already, so I'm just gonna add the soy sauce and the fish sauce. I'm gonna bring it to a boil for 2 minutes, and then I'll chop some fresh herbs, and then it'll be ready. So I've turned off the heat, and now I'm gonna chop up some cilantro and have fresh mint as well. Just roughly chopped, and you want to sprinkle them on top. If you have basil, you could add basil as well. I just don't have any right now. And also, if your kids like green onions, you can always just chop some green onions and put them on top. I think roasted peanuts would go great on this as well. If you don't like lettuce cups, you just boil some rice and you put it on rice, noodles, soba noodles. I mean, it goes on a lot of things. So it's a very easy dish that you can adapt for the entire family. We just like the lettuce cup. It's like eating little tacos, so it's kind of fun. So I'm gonna chop these fresh herbs, and then I'm gonna plate the turkey, sprinkle the herbs on top, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have my turkey here, and then I'm just adding herbs. For me, the more herbs, the better, because it just adds so much flavor to a dish. If you have any pickled veggies, it will be really nice with this as well. So here you go, you got like 30 lettuce cups. I'm just gonna put it all on the table so everybody can make their own little cup. I mean, my kids love it when they do it themselves. And I'll just quickly saute the cabbage and the spinach, and then I'll put it on the counter. So here you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.